This is One A Day Myles. Or is it? Today is Friday, which means it's Doodly Pro Friday. Alright guys, I'm kidding. I can't do that the whole episode. Or can I? Okay, kidding about that last part. Except for the fact that it is, in fact, Doodly Pro Friday. But first, before we get into all that nonsense, there's a few things I need to let you guys know. I like chicken! Not exactly what I had in mind. What I did want to let you guys know is that the Name That YouTuber minigame is over. I realize now that I made that way too easy. But I promise you, in the future, it won't be so easy next time. Do you want that on whole wheat or white bread? Whole wheat, please! Alright, see ya. Thanks. By the time this video goes up, all of your accumulated points for the t-shirt contest will be calibrated and added and other words that sound very intelligent. And of course they will be posted on that same page. Links are under the... There's a link. Bing! So, how many of you guys saw the scary face and the white noise in yesterday's video? If you answered yes to one or more of those questions, then you are partially insane. Because A, there was no scary face and the white noise yesterday, and B, there was no video for yesterday. 50 points for me for each one of you that went back to see if I was lying about the face, or if you thought I was serious about there not being a video yesterday. Skype! It's what the kids are calling it nowadays. Okay! Now for the main event. Doodly Pro Friday! On this week's episode of Doodly Pro Friday, we will venture deeper into the adventures of Super Doodly. Pow! Why is everything I own never plugged into anything?
Give me your stupid wallet. Alright, give me the wallet. Give me the wallet.
Help me.
Give me the wallet. Oh.
Mr. Julie, thank you.
I like chicken.